my best friends. Today we are visiting the Liberty Science Center. Follow me and let's go check it out. This is the Dream Machine. When you pump the bicycle pumps, it makes different sounds, color, and smells. Believe it or not, there are actually animals living in the Liberty Science Center. Can you find the tarantula? Oh, I see it. Right there. This parrot is very loud. She may sound cranky, but she's not. That's just their way of talking. Here, we're looking at a tiny animal, skeleton. It is a bat. Wow, an air tube system. First, you put the furry balls into the place where it says start. Then, the air will push it right. Then, the furry balls will travel around the tubes. And then, it'll pop out of nowhere. Good luck catching them! Wow, a flying ball is flying because of magic air. If you still don't understand the power of the air, try the hurricane simulator. This is crazy! Look at our hair! It's workout time! What about a movie in the largest planetarium in the U.S.? What's next? Oh my gosh, not Paw Patrol. Even though I still enjoyed playing with it. Baby toys and baby slide too. This part is my favorite. The infinity climb. Wow, there are just more and more game stations. Downstairs? What's downstairs? It's the Dino Dig. It's dig time. Happy digging, guys. We found the Allosaurus, the Diplodocus, and I also found part of the Replicasaurus, and there's also egg and poop, which was kind of disgusting. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the Liberty Science Center. Bye. See you next time.